Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen. Anyway, today we want to do a nice, lovely vegetarian dish like broccoli, carrot, and also for vegan. Vegan can have vegetable, guys. It's just amazing the way I'm going to be frying up some veg on is like a vegan style. So enjoy and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments below and remember, request and we will definitely make it. Look forward for the chunky vegetable soup coming very soon. Thank you. Lovely and nice, guys. I want to say welcome back in the kitchen, guys. It's just so amazing to be in the kitchen. But anyway, as I said, this is gonna be for the vegan. We're going to do some kojak, and this is white onion and spring onion and mixed pepper tomato. Right over here we have some broccoli and carrot and some beans and some baby corn right here. All of these ingredients, we're going to put them together. But first of all, what we need to do is come right over here, and this is where my water start to boil. As you can see inside of my pot right here, guys, that's the water start to boil. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to simply drop my vegetable straight inside of the water and boil it off about 3 to 4 seconds. Not too long in the water because you don't want it to overcook. We want to get them a little bit chunky. So we're just going to do a little fried up for the vegan today vegetable dish. So guys, all of my ingredients is right here, and basically we're going to fry them off in another frying pan. Enjoy the recipe and please subscribe to the channel. And this is from Chef Ricardo on the team. Stay tuned. I love this. As you can see, I'm just boiling off this at the moment. Doesn't take long, and look how they're fresh and nice. That's exactly what you're talking about right here. Fresh vegetable vegan recipe. So basically, this is boiled off. We're not gonna cook them too long. I'm just gonna strain it off and turn off my stove, and we're gonna strain off with this. Nice and lovely. So basically, I just washed out my front pan right here. Look at that, clean and nice. But what I wanna simply say to you, I'm gonna use some vegan oil. Where you can get vegan oil to buy in the supermarket. Some vegan is very stressed. Some really, like, I want to say some vegans like this, then doesn't want to use any oil. So you have to go and get your oil in the supermarket. There's special oil. Some vegan use olive oil, some use vegetable oil, but some people doesn't use it. See, they got a specific vegan oil, but they want to show the name of the bottle. So guys, I'm just gonna pop a teaspoon of oil in the front pan, and I'm gonna pop some veg in it. That's the kojak seasonings. Very nice. So we're gonna fry this off about 5 to 6 minutes. Add a little bit of mixed herb. I like my herbs. Everything is natural I'm using. A little bit of coarse pepper. And give it a stir. Cook that off about 5 to 6 minutes. Lovely and nice. So we're gonna add the wild veg, carrot, baby corn, and also beans. Lovely and nice, as you can see. And that looking so lovely. The vegan then can have this fried up vegetable. Lovely and nice. So basically, guys, this is finished, and you don't wanna overcook it too much. So that looking lovely and nice. So what we're gonna do is just gonna simply share it out, and hopefully, guys, you just like the recipe, vegan recipe from Chef Ricardo on the team. And thank you so much for watching my show, and hopefully we can come with better in the future. Nice and lovely. I just shared it out, guys, and as you can see, Looking so lovely and nice. So hopefully guys will love the recipe, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hopefully we can come with best, better for the future for the vegan. And as you can see, the vegan vegetable dish right here. Amazing recipe. Please subscribe and leave your comments below. We have a lot more ideas and recipe coming out for you. As you can see, that looking so lovely and nice. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show, guys. It's just amazing. Thank you, and hopefully we can do best in the future. And stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and the Google Plus page. See you next time. Bye bye.